Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last regular puzzle. The third and last regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper of Thursday, January the 11th, still Thursday, yeah, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, there are no extra puzzles in this newspaper, daily newspaper, no additional. So in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday edition. And the news of today, well, it's still freezing. A couple of days ago I've mentioned it's freezing, and look outside. The people are ice skating here. Yeah, it's very cold. Alright, let me continue with the Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 777. No, 7780. And before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. And for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve for a 3 stars puzzle. Yeah, is this really a 3 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box in this puzzle. Let me put the 1 there. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan. No dual boxes. Oh, correction, we have 1 dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have a triple box? I see here a triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, only 1 triple box. How about quadra boxes? Let me check if there are quadra boxes in this puzzle. No quadra boxes here. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. How about this one? This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Only 2 of those shapes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see this kind of L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do you have more L shapes? Nope. Only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box is the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4, and the 5 we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, so 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there, so 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from numbers 2 and the 4. We cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5, and that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And also those 2 boxes can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then let me think. This box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. This box can be 2, this box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this area. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 here and a double 3 there. Should be a 4 and cannot be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. Need a 3 here. Okay. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there, double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yeah, definitely 2. 2 to 5, we have 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 to 5, we have 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and 3. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then the 2 numbers left in this area from us. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And the final number in this area for the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed in 12 minutes. Wow, I'm very pleased with the time. So is this a 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. It should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14 and 13 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. Until then, bye bye for now.